Zombie apocalypse.
This is the Orfeld 116-piece home owner's toolkit set. It's model HT116X. So this is all self-contained. This nice hard case. Once you unwrap it here, you get this piece of cardboard on here. I bought this just so I had something inside the house, so I don't have to go out to my garage to get something, since I have a detached garage. These nice little clips on here. Everything keeps it snapping in place there. Okay, so in the box, you got some electrical tape. You have some pliers, which also have wire cutters on them. You got a hammer, needle nose pliers. You have a level. You have both a regular slotted screwdriver and a Phillips. They both have magnetic tips on them. You have an electric pen if you want to measure currents. You have a razor knife, tape measure, Allen wrenches, and a whole bunch of miscellaneous. You got some nails, different size screws, some picture hooks, some thumbtacks, and some anchors for like wall anchors. Well, everything. This is going to work good inside. Has everything you probably need to do all your small stuff fastly.